3. Rogan Josh. Introduction. Rogan Josh is a signature dish of Kashmiri cuisine, celebrated for its vibrant red color, aromatic spices, and tender meat. Traditionally made with lamb or mutton, this slow-cooked curry is infused with fragrant spices like cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves, combined with a yogurt-based gravy for a rich and flavorful experience. It's perfect for serving with steamed rice or naan and makes any meal feel truly special. Main steps. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Gather the following ingredients: 500 grams of lamb or mutton, cut into medium-sized pieces. 2 medium onions, finely chopped. 3 to 4 garlic cloves, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2 tablespoons of yogurt, whisked. Spices: 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala, and 1 teaspoon fennel powder. 2 tablespoons mustard oil or any cooking oil. 1 cup of water. Step 2. Marinate the meat. In a bowl, marinate the lamb with yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of salt. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to penetrate the meat. Step 3. Temper the spices. Heat mustard oil in a deep pan until it begins to smoke lightly. Reduce the heat and add cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. Sauté the spices for a minute until aromatic. Step 4. Sauté the base. Add chopped onions to the pan and cook until golden brown. Stir in the ginger and garlic, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Add red chili powder and fennel powder, mixing well to create a spice paste. Step 5. Cook the meat. Add the marinated lamb to the pan and sear on high heat until the meat is browned and coated with the spice mixture. This step enhances the flavor and seals the juices. Step 6. Simmer the curry. Pour 1 cup of water into the pan, lower the heat, and cover with a lid. Let the meat simmer gently for about 45 to 50 minutes, stirring occasionally. The meat should become tender, and the gravy should thicken and develop a deep, rich flavor. Step 7. Add final spices. Stir in garam masala and adjust salt to taste. Let the curry cook for another 5 minutes to allow the spices to blend perfectly. Step 8. Garnish and serve. Turn off the heat and garnish the Rogan Josh with a sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot with steamed rice, naan, or paratha. Rogan Josh is a masterpiece of flavors and aromas, offering a perfect balance of spice, richness, and tenderness. With every bite, you'll experience the warmth and tradition of Kashmiri cuisine. Serve it at your next gathering or enjoy it as a comforting meal for your family. It's bound to impress. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and stay updated with our latest videos.